Paracord Bracelet White Dragon Ton. So if you want to learn how to make this Paracord bracelet, stay tuned cause tutorial is right around the corner. Aloha everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube Paracord family. My name is Dala and today we're gonna make the White Dragon Paracord bracelet. For today's project we're gonna need this leg glue paracord, total length 6 feet or 2 meters in the metric measurements approximately. The wide paracord buckle 3/4 of an inch, and this pink Paracord 550, also 6 feet or around 2 meters in a metric measurement. So let's start. First we're gonna take the ends of both cord and we're gonna join them together. So let's do it. So here we are. After we've done that, we're gonna take the one end of the buckle and we're gonna insert it from the bottom to the top. And now take it and make it round. Take it end from the bottom, insert it to the other side of a buckle. And here you can do the measuring for your wrist, like so, and left the width of a finger. Now take it and make it back, and again insert it from the bottom Here, as you can see, we have the basic cow hitch and then the one going through the next side of a buckle or next part of a buckle, opposite side, and here these two extra cords and the working ends. So we have the inner two cords and the outer two cords from the both sides. So now we're gonna start making our White Dragon Ton. This bracelet is actually created by J.D. Lanson from Tie It All Up Together, so credits go to him. And now take this pink cord and make it to the behind, like this, to the back, as you wish. And now take this pink cord, make it to the left side from behind, like this. And then with this leg glue, make it under this one, over these center cords, as you can see here, and under this outer pink or a fourth cord, as you wish. So like this. Now pull it to the start of the bracelet, and then take this pink cord and make it on top of this lake blue, then under or on top of this first one, as you can see here, then under this center or middle ones, and over this pink one, like this. Take the lake blue on top of this pink one, and then under this outer one, on top of the middle ones, and under the first cord. As you will see, the beginning of this bracelet is tough. After you've done that, everything set in place and you have the great looking paracord bracelet. So let's continue. Take the pink one on top of the fourth cord here, under the center ones, and on top of the first cord. Cinch it in to the start of the bracelet. As you can see, it already gets the shape of bracelet. Again, the lake blue on top of the pink one, under, over, under. You can do this bracelet with or without the jig, as you can see. It's all up to you. I prefer working without the jig. So as you can see, this is the basic weave for this paracord bracelet, and here we are almost at the end of the bracelet. Now I'm gonna show you how to finish it, and we're done. And now, when we finish here, pull it to make it tight, cinch it all up to the end, so the weaves will be firm, as you can see. Take the pink paracord, take the needle or thread, and simply here you'll see we have the loops. So you're gonna pull it through here like this, as you can see. And then we're gonna take and cut off the excess of a cord here. And we're gonna melt them down. And here we are, our paracord bracelet, white dragon tongue. Tongue is finished. I hope you like it. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and of course don't forget to subscribe, it's free, and that way you're gonna helping us to continue making these paracord projects. As you can see, this bracelet can be worn from the both sides, the front one and the back one, as you wish. It's great designed. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!